CapCut versus KineMaster. After watching this video, you'll be able to decide which software you need to use for your video editing. We have two popular software, CapCut and KineMaster. We will discuss each and everything, starting from size, user ratings, pricing, and complete features of both. So without wasting time, let's get started. Size. CapCut is lightweight and has size around 200 megabits on Play Store. KineMaster, on the other hand, size of 100 megabits on Play Store. Rating. It has 1 billion plus downloads. From 11 million reviews, CapCut has ratings of 4.2 out of 5 on Play Store. On the other hand, KineMaster has 500 million plus downloads, and from 5 million reviews, it has rating of 4.4 out of 5 on Play Store, which is better than CapCut. Features. CapCut is known for its ease of use, fast-paced editing. The CapCut interface is a user-friendly layout with key areas for media management, previewing, and editing. As you can see on the screen, it provides features like background removal, auto cut, photo editor, marketing tools, auto captions, audio tools, AI model, and avatar tool. CapCut is an all-in-one creative platform powered by AI that enables video editing and image design on browsers, Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. It has a lot of templates, transitions, video effect, and sound effects. KineMaster is a professional-grade video editing application primarily designed for mobile devices. It is known for offering advanced editing features in an intuitive, multi-layered interface that is optimized for touchscreen use. It also has a lot of templates, transitions, video effect, and sound effects. Pricing. CapCut provides basic editing features for free. For advanced transitions, templates, effects, you have to use paid version. Pricing for standard model is 1,500 rupees or $5.29 per month and 9,900 rupees or $35 per year. Pro model offers more advanced features, more storage and credits with 2,900 rupees or $10 per month. For yearly plan, it offers 19,900 rupees or $70 per year. KineMaster is also not free. You can use basic templates and effects for free with watermark on the video. For advanced features, you have to buy the premium version. For yearly plan, you have to pay 7,000 rupees. If you want to go with monthly plan, it is 1,050 rupees per month. Conclusion. Which editor is right for you? Your best choice depends on your specific needs. Choose CapCut if you are a beginner or a casual user creating social media content. You want access to the latest trends, effects, and templates. You want to export videos without a watermark for free. You need to edit on different devices, including a PC or Mac. Choose KineMaster if you are an intermediate or advanced video editor looking for fine-grained control. You create longer-form or more complex videos that require multi-layer editing. You need professional features like full offline editing and advanced color correction. You are willing to pay for a premium subscription to remove the watermark and unlock all features. Try both and choose the one which best fits your need. I hope this video will be helpful. Like, share, and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.